push up in them Bentleys. I thought about fly last night when I was tipping. I'ma make it back today, so you know I ain't tripping.
What's going on, vlog? This is your boy Break 'em Off DT. I'm gonna show you how you can turn $1,000 into an Audi A4 budget bill. We're gonna see when we get this together. This is my first vlog, so y'all got to bear with me just a little bit. Okay, vlog. This is a 2003 Audi A4 Quattro 3.0 all-wheel drive. When I bought this car, it was damaged on the front end. I see y'all looking at my different wheels. I will get back to them in a minute. I put new bumpers, new lights, new headlights, new grills. The whole front end was pretty much damaged. I'm gonna see can I get some pictures of it. The car is in pretty much good shape. Besides the little cosmetic stuff, it's in pretty much good, safe size, little cosmetic. It's good shadow interior. It's extra headlight in the back. Ain't too much damage. See if I can get this door unlocked. It's a little nasty, but we're gonna see can we get this thing on the road. It runs and drives now, AC work. We're gonna see can we get it out of here. I got less than $1,000 in it. And we're gonna see can we flip it and make some more money. Yes, I'm a dealer for the state of Alabama. Now, a little something about me. I've been dealing with cars since I was 15 years old. I'm 28 now. And I always thought I was going to start a YouTube channel, so here it is. I'm from Alabama. Nobody really YouTubes in Alabama that I know of. This channel is going to be more about everything you've been trying to find on YouTube about vehicles you cannot find. And I deal with all kind of vehicles. When I say all kind, I mean all kind. From foreigns to muscle cars, to Euros, to 18-wheelers, to RVs. So we're gonna have a lot on this channel. From top cut, rebuilding, everything's gonna be a budget bill. I wanna see can we get some comments about what we wanna see on the channel. What can we get to see can we get the money up to bill? And we're gonna roll with it. One thing we ain't gonna do is give up on nothing. We ain't gonna give up. I got a car here that I lost the keys to. Riding four-wheels, being a country boy. It was like, man, y'all would break them off to redo it. But I don't want to tear the car up, and was a pretty nice car. But now it's trying to be a storage unit, so I need to get it fixed. It's an RV. We working on this one. See can we get the air conditioner fixed on this one. We gonna sell it. See can we get some money on this one. Right here's an 03 Buick LeSabre. We're gonna redo it. This car was wrecked in the rear end when I got it. I lost the keys to it. It's my fault. I take the blame on that one. Interior it was good, but the battery's dead. That's why the seat is up. I was gonna put a new battery in it, but I don't have the keys. That's when I found out I didn't have the keys. It was wrecked in the rear end. Fixed that. It's always gonna be a budget build channel, man. We gonna do it up. Since I've been sitting around thinking, I was like, he always told me. He said, "This is a Suzuki." He said, "Man, all this stuff you're doing out there, you need to start recording this. Let other people see your work. We're gonna come together as a team and we break them off. Budget bills." That's one more thing, man. We're not really into politics. I really don't politic on anything that personal. It's just my preference. I can't make one person stop me from being who I am. I try to live my life the best way I can, man. Just stay tuned. Please do not be negative. You be blocked. Just trying it out. I got a lot of guys y'all want to meet, man. Hey, you laughing so hard, make your stomach hurt, man. Just believe that. Stick with me. We're gonna try to get it done right. I got another one I gotta redo. We'll take it one vehicle at a time. Y'all just like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna come in. We're gonna try to get a video at least twice a week. This is a 2008 Cadillac Escalade. It's been wrecked. I'm working on it now. Need a door. We just put a new fender on there. Look how I made it work. We're gonna get it right too. So y'all just make sure y'all hang in there. This is gonna be the best thing since sliced bread, man. Gonna be a lot of footage. We got horses. We got a couple cows, 4-wheelers, motorcycles. Anything you want is gonna be on this channel. One-stop shop. Just stick around for a country boy. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all ain't gonna wanna miss this. Go another camper. It's going too. I'll do some work to this. Lawnmower. Y'all see my country boy gear rig tank on the back. I explain that later on in another video though. We're gonna get to that. Believe it. Man, y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. It just won't be my intro for my first video. I'm really gonna try to work on this editing thing. And if I talk too fast for you, you might want to turn them subtitles on. I know I get that a lot, man. We're gonna have fun though. I can't wait to get over this hump, and we're gonna do this thing the right way. We're gonna be a family. If you have any negative comments, you will be blocked. Just gonna repeat that, because we're gonna have a lot of kids watching this channel. And we're gonna try to do it right, man. I see a lot of YouTubers going after each other. It shouldn't be right. I watch YouTube every day. I watch YouTube more than I watch TV in my house. I hate to say that. But we need to get right together, man. We need to come together. This is me without my glasses. I like my hat. I work out in the sun a lot. I gotta have my hat. And we're gonna do it right. So y'all make sure y'all hang in there, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Break them off.
When we push up in them business. Talk about 5 last night when I was tipping. I'ma make it back to